Welcome everybody to this Polar Cloud how-to. Today we're going to talk about what is a tag and how we edit tags to suit your license. Alright, so to start off with, we're going to jump into the sites page here, and we'll see on the site that we created earlier is that we've got a trial license that on the right hand side we will see that it gives a tag association and a number of gateway association. So the number of gateways means how many Polar gateways it can support on the system, but more importantly for this video we're going to talk about tags. So tags in this sense are how many readings that the device is bringing through to the cloud. You'll see that the whole overall license allows a certain number of tags, so we can see that this one offers 5,000 on the trial license, but we can see on this phplot demo we now only have a 15 tag license, of which 3 of them are being used. Alright, so in order to see the tags and actually manipulate the tags, we can see on our Fieldbus test install here we actually have 6 tags that we're using on this device. So we've made it so that you can actually go in and edit exactly what tags you want to see to obviously suit the license that you're looking to purchase. So in order to edit the tags, we're going to go into the device itself's dashboard, right? And once we're on the dashboard, we're going to see a whole bunch of readings here. And these readings essentially are tags in the Polar Cloud license structure. Also included on the tags are these actual output or action buttons, right? So we've got a pulse output 1 here and an output 1 button, and these essentially count as tags as well. So this device originally on the previous page said that it had 6 tags. So we've got an input 1, an output 1, a pulse counter, an analog input, and 2 buttons, essentially making up 6 tags in total. In order to edit these tags, you're going to come into the enable edit mode, and you will see that this device has up to 4 analog inputs, 4 digital inputs. So all of those tags, if you want to call them that again, are on or are available for us to actually edit, and you'll see that a number of these are disabled by default, right? So once I'm in the edit menu, I can actually see all of these tags, and we can scroll through here and essentially enable or disable the certain number of tags that you want. So in order to do that, you'll hit on the edit mode on each individual tile, and you can essentially turn off that tag, and you'll see now it's disabled that tag, and we now have only 5 on the system here. If I now go and enable input 2, you'll see that it'll enable that, and now I have 6 out of 5,000 that are enabled here. So what I can do is that I can go and actually manipulate all of these and say I don't want these tags on the system, and I only really want to read digital input 1 for interest sake. I'll then enable that. I can click save changes, close this menu, and you'll see now that we only have 2 plus the 2 control tiles. Alright, so now the system, when I go back to my sites page, we will see when I open sites is that we've only got 4 out of 5,000 here, and this device is physically using 4 of those tags. Alright, so that is what the tags are and how to manipulate them.